Hi there, I'm Zep from the Trader's Edge. In this short video, I will show my personal price action indicator called TTE momentum candles. First to say, there are probably a gazillion indicators on the market out there, and they are all lagging behind. Not all of them, but let's say like stochastics, MACD, CCI, and so on. There may be traders out there who use these and are profitable, but in my opinion, you're always going to be late to the party. Stochastics or RSI, for example, show you an overbought and oversold condition of the market. So most traders might think overbought you sell and oversold you buy. But when you watch these setups over a long period of time, you will realize that often the market will still keep going heavily in the same direction and not going to reverse as expected. So let's put up some stochastics here, for example, to show you. Maybe let's find some here. Here is an overbought state, and most people would probably go in and sell, but you see market is still going up. Next example would be maybe right here. Oversold, crossing down, and price is still going up. Anyway, I don't use stochastics that much, and let's come straight to the point. For me, was always a high probability that the market continues or reverses when momentum is coming in. And as you might know, the market is in a range 70% of the time. So when momentum comes in, the chances are really high that it will keep going in that direction. And the momentum candles indicator shows you, or like the name says, indicates when momentum is coming in and highlights the candles on the chart. So let's take a look at some current Euro USD 4-hour chart that I have open. And let me attach the indicator. Here we go. And now you see, I have this in this grayish color, all my candles, and now you see the momentum candles highlighted in green and red. And let's cherry pick here. Of course, you have some losers. This is not a holy grail or a 90% winning strategy that I promote here, but it's a good indication of where price might be heading. For example, here we had this with the stochastics. It was overbought, but price still went heavily up about like 250 pips. Of course, you have situations where the market runs against you. I mean, it's just an indicator. It indicates where momentum is coming in. You still have to use your own analysis, but I think it's a pretty good way to see when momentum is coming in. And I usually don't use indicators. I'm a price action trader. I only trade certain patterns and support and resistance, and in my opinion you can use indicators as a filter. For example, if price hits a major resistance, you see some sellers coming in, and when the stochastic shows an overbought state, then I would use the stochastic as a third point of confirmation rather than the base of my strategy. And the TTE momentum candles is not an indicator per se, it's just a little helper to show you when the market starts to move. And let me open this here. You can see you have all kinds of alert like pop-up, sound, email, and push notifications, and that way you don't have to watch your screen the entire time. And yeah, this indicator is free, and you will get instant access if you join my free or my premium signals group. So head over to the-tradersedge.com, sign up and receive instant access, and see you there. Happy trading.